If you love the cozy pumpkin spice flavors like cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger, then you are going to love this super easy pumpkin spice vegan smoothie that I've also made paleo and dairy-free. Stay tuned for this 6-ingredient healthy pumpkin smoothie recipe. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen. I'm Carrie, and this is where I share my easy gluten-free and dairy-free recipes. If you're looking for inspiration for this way of eating, I hope that you'll consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you're alerted whenever I upload a new video. I also have a brand new freebie that I want to offer you, so stick around to the end and I'll talk about it then. So today we're making this pumpkin smoothie recipe. It tastes like the inside of a pumpkin pie. It is so refreshing. And again, I'm in California. I've talked about this before. We've been having a heat wave this fall. It was 100 degrees the other day. It's still pretty warm, and so that's why I'm wearing a tank top even though I'm making fall recipes. But this smoothie recipe will be cool and refreshing at the same time with these warming spices of cinnamon and flavors of pumpkin pie. So let's get started. We're going to start the base of our smoothie with 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. You could also use unsweetened oat milk or whatever type of plant milk you like. I usually always start my smoothie with about 1 cup of plant milk. And next, to make this recipe taste rich and creamy, we are going to use 1/4 cup of full fat coconut milk. And it's really essential to make this taste like a pumpkin pie. In fact, whenever I'm making Thanksgiving foods like my pumpkin pie, I always end up making this coconut-based pumpkin pie pudding. I will put the link below. It is a crustless version of pumpkin pie, and it's perfect if you're lazy like me. You don't want to make a crust, but you want to have that delicious pumpkin pie flavor. Now you could easily double or triple this recipe. I'm using my refurbished Vitamix Explorian today. I will put the link in the description box below, but this will just make about 1 serving. But again, you could easily, you could probably quadruple this recipe depending on how many people you want to serve. The next ingredient, which is going to make our smoothie thick and creamy, is to use 1 frozen banana. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And I usually buy pumpkin pie spice pre-made, but if you want to make your own, you would just make a blend of ground cinnamon, ground ginger, ground nutmeg, cloves, and cardamom. And then the last ingredient is about 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup. And if you don't want to use syrup, you could use a couple of pitted medjool dates, would be really great as well. Those are the 6 ingredients. That's all we need. So we're just going to blend this up, and then I'll show you how rich and creamy it is. That's it. We just had to blend it for about 20 seconds, and you can see it's fully blended. There are no chunks. So let's go ahead and serve the smoothie. Let's go ahead and serve the smoothie and give it a taste. I'm going to add a little sprinkle of extra pumpkin pie spice on top, and I have a little silicone straw here. Oh gosh, it is so good. It is perfectly sweet. It really does taste like pumpkin pie. I know you are going to love this recipe. And before I forget, I wanted to tell you that I've created a quick start guide for eating gluten-free and dairy-free. I will put that link below. If you sign up, I will send you the quick start guide. It has 5 days of recipes and tips for getting started eating gluten-free and dairy-free, which is part of an anti-inflammatory diet, and it's what I use to manage my PCOS and autoimmune disease. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I will link to my pumpkin spice donut recipe, which is vegan and gluten-free, and also my playlist of my favorite vegan Vitamix recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.